Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you for watching my videos. I really appreciate it, and I hope you will subscribe and share this video to those people who will get value out of the topics which we are talking about here in this channel. And yeah, welcome back, and I hope everyone is doing well. I just arrived at my workplace. Today is Friday. It's that Friday feeling, as they say. Excited for the weekend. Um, Today I just wanna quickly talk about an affiliate, basically, and about my car rental, which I'm currently subscribed in. Um, well, like this car is a car rental. I'm doing it like a long-term car rental, which I'm also earning money at the same time. I hope I can inspire you to do the same, or to do an affiliate in general, because I've tried a lot of affiliates so far. I've tried home services and products, and so far this car rental affiliate really works for me well. I'm earning a lot here compared to others so far, so I'm still learning in other stuff. Yeah. So the company called, by the way, this is not a sponsored video. This is they haven't asked me to do this video. This is just based on my personal experience, renting with them in a very long time, and also like an opportunity to earn a little bit of extra cash on the side by promoting their company. So the company is in Vigo company. There's a link in the description of this video, which I'm gonna place, so you can click the link and download the app. It's like an app. It's a platform. It's an app platform where they collect all, most of the car rental companies here in UAE. Like in my case, this is Legend Car Rental, or Legend World Car Rental. Yeah, it's a Legend company. So they also partner with a lot of car rental company like Avis, Budget Car Rental, and different companies. So there in the app, once you download the app, of course you will register your details, and you can select the car, which type of car that you want, and then they will redirect you to the company. So you order the car in the app, and it will be linked to the company, and then the car rental company will deliver the car for you. So it's a free delivery, it's a free pickup once you return the car. So it's anywhere in Dubai. You can just basically book the time and the date and the location. They will just come there and deliver the car, and of course they will take a picture of all the scratches, and if there's any anything in the car, and they will give you in a full tank. The gas should be full once they deliver to you, and then you put it back once you return the car. So that's the system. So I really like this company because it's they give you a brand new car, like this car is a 2024 model. It's an MG brand, and it comes with everything, like the basic ones, the regular stuff that you will get in a car rental, like the insurance, the roadside assistance, they're all included. And yeah, and of course the stuff at the back, like the spare tire, the tools, everything is included in this car rental. So you will get the details also inside the app, what you will get once you download the app and sign up. Yeah. And the greatest thing also, which I don't think you can get it anywhere else, is there's no deposit. because normally the car rental companies, they will ask for deposit. So normally it's about 1,000 dirhams. They will, hold your card or collect in cash for 1,000 dirhams, and once you return and everything is fine, there's no scratches or no faulty in the car, they will refund this amount maybe after a few days or something. They will deposit to your account if you have given through your debit card, or they have hold your amount, or you can just collect again if you have given by cash. It depends, but there's a deposit. You know how the deposit works, right? Yeah. So the good part of the Invigo is they don't collect deposit. So what they need only is your ID, of course. If you're residents here in Dubai, you can upload your Emirates ID, and or your passport. If you're a tourist, you can also upload your passport, any ID, any valid ID. So in my case, I've uploaded my passport, and don't worry, it's safe. I've been using it for, again, if I've been using it for a long time, and my datas are safe, my documents are safe on the app. They don't share your details. And of course your card, it's like a recurring payment. So you will upload the card, and each month, each due date, like for example in my case, my due date is every 25th of the month. So at 8 a.m. they directly charge the card, for the car rent, automatically by the system. So it's a recurrent, because I'm renting it for a long term. I'm renting it like years now. In my opinion, I think a lot of people now, they opt to rent a car instead of buying a car. I think the benefits are, you're free from maintenance, because again, the car rental company, they will cover the maintenance hassle and the cost for you. You just have to call them or request through the app. Somebody will come, they will replace the car, and then they will take your car for a service, and then after a few days they will give you back the car. So you won't be out of car. You can still continue your life. Yeah, so I think that's one of the benefits of renting a car instead of buying. And of course, paying for the insurance. So everything, you just pay that monthly fee, and everything is included, like the insurance, the maintenance. These two are the major one. And of course, Salik is different charges. They will, let's say your rent per month is 2,000 dirhams, and then you have passed, let's say, 20 times in the Salik, so they will add this amount to your 2,000 dirhams. It depends. Right now I believe it's well, if you own your car, that's 6 dirhams. If you rent a car, they charge like 1 dirham additional as an admin fee. So per pass is 7 dirhams. This is what I think. Just check it out. I'm not so sure, but it's a different rate starting 2025. So they will accumulate this. They will tally how many times you have passed the Salik in each month, and they will just include here on your bill. So what I'm doing is to earn a little bit of extra cash, to pay the gas or the Salik, is I'm doing an affiliate for Invigo. So I promote their company. Basically in the app, there's a link there. There's a button where earn something like earn extra, something like that. There's a button there, then they will give you like a special link. So I promote this link, and then if people will sign up, like what I'm doing, I'm earning also the money. I'm not earning in cash directly to my account, but they give me as a wallet credit. So like for example, again, if your rent is 2,000 dirhams every month, and then let's say you earn 300 dirhams for that month, so you'll pay only 1,700. So, and of course it's unlimited. You can even earn a lot and get your car for free. You know, you can earn up to two. You know, as they mentioned there, up to 5,000. You can earn up to 5,000, I believe, in each month. I haven't reached that far yet, but so far I've earned 7,200 dirhams in a very short time and in few months. So it really helps me to pay the gas or the salik or both, you know, and it's a really big deal for me. So I hope to inspire you to do the same thing as well if you're renting a car. And hey, share this video to your friends or family if they want to visit Dubai and you know they don't have a car yet for that few months or few weeks. You know, they can rent from Invigo and do the same thing as well. Well, basically you need to be a customer first for you to do an affiliate for them. So like you need to sign up first, you need to rent their car and you know promote their company. So again, it's a one platform where you can select bunch of cars, different types of car. You want a sedan, you want an AUV, SUV, 7-seater, or you name it, everything is there with full details. So they have daily, they have weekly, they have monthly, and they have yearly plans. And their customer service is very efficient. You can just message them if you need maintenance, or if you know God forbid, but if there's any accident, you can just call them and or contact them through the app, and they will send someone to replace the car or the roadside assistance. And so far, you know, I've been using them for how many years now, and really it's been really excellent. I'm really happy with their service. And yeah, the best part for me, I believe, is the deposit and the convenience, those two parts, because they deliver the car and then they collect the car anywhere in Dubai. If they have, normally the maximum they deliver is next day. If you book today, they will deliver the next day. But if you need it like urgently, and if they have availability, I believe you can you know, they will deliver also on the same day. But I haven't tried it yet. As far as I know, the next day, you know, I'm sure for the next day. Well, you can select the schedule there. They will tell you the dates that it is available. Let's say you select a certain type of car, they will, you know, they will indicate there when it's going to be available, you know. And it should be full tank. You check everything, all the scratches. They will take a picture. You will sign a document, like not in the paper, but like in the app. They have like a iPad, and then you will sign there. It's all electronic, and they will send you your car registration through your WhatsApp. Of course, you can print as well the paper. They don't have the physical card right now. It's like yeah, for me it's like in WhatsApp, in case I need it, you know, if in case it's been asked, then I can just show them the digital copy of the car registration. Yeah, and yeah, and then you can earn money. So the method I'm doing on how I promote this this company is through Facebook, because a lot of people, they are looking for car rental. Maybe they have guests or they need it for themselves. They have, you know, they have any relatives or friends coming to Dubai and they need a car. They go to Facebook and they're looking for car rental. You know, they inquire there. So I joined certain groups, Car Rental Dubai, Car Rental UAE. And if you're watching this video outside Dubai or outside UAE, I'm sure you have a similar car rental app in your country, and you can also do the same. So the main purpose of this video is just to inspire you on how to earn extra in general. You know, it's not only for the car rent. I'm just talking a little bit about the car and how the service is really excellent. But you can, you know, you can promote the product and earn some cash. You don't have to hold the product or something like that. You just have to, you know, again, maybe do a YouTube video or through Facebook, or you know, or through friends, and once they buy the product, you earn the commission. That's it. You can withdraw the money through PayPal or through direct to your bank accounts. Yeah. So what else for Invigo? Yeah, so I hope you can share this video to your friends or family who who needs rent a car. And yeah, and you can see on the thumbnail, I'm showing you there the proof of my earnings that is real, that I really earned through credit, through the wallet of the app. And I don't pay the full amount. I always pay less because again, I'm doing like a side hustle, and it's really easy because people, they come there to Facebook, they really need the car. They already have that urgency of looking for the product or services, like in this case the car rental. So they really want to rent a car, and that's where you come in. You just have, they will inquire a little bit about how is the app, and some basic inquiries. You can just answer their inquiries, and that's it. They will download the app and they will pay directly. Of course, the money doesn't come to you directly. It goes to the company, the Invigo. It goes to the app, so the company will just pay you. That's it. And thank you again for staying up until here. It's already more than 15 minutes I'm talking here, and you have a good day. And I'll see you again in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.